Hallihallo und herzlich willkommen zu meinem neuen Stream. Heute werden wir weiterarbeiten und zwar, well, we will do this in English, I totally forgot. Welcome to my stream, and today we are going to continue working where we have left off, which I totally forgot because I was in holiday, on vacation in between. But we will find that out very quickly. But I know what I will do today. It's basically, I don't know if I really have a task for that already. Let me check real quick. It's probably, here is the link. Here we go. So initialize camera and level stuff correctly, all nice. No, there is nothing for that, so I will create a ticket. Add animations made for Hutch. Okay, so we'll do this. Let's open that, give it to me. And we will start with this. So let's start the engine. And also let's check where he put the export the files. Not here. Graphics, character. Oops. Okay, seems like he hasn't exported them. So while we wait for that, we'll make this bigger. We can do something else. We can do one of the other tickets. Okay, I will quickly have to help him because he's exporting this stuff. Give me a second. While we wait, you can enjoy this beautiful Super Smash Bros. Melee City Pop. remix. Okay, so while we wait for that, we will take a look at maybe initialize camera on level start correctly. I don't know why I always get this. Initialize camera on level start correctly or level transitions. Level streaming system. Let's do the camera stuff. Because that is the most clear ticket I have. So, what we have, let's take a look. Ah, there's also another problem. We'll do this as well. So we will start with this because this is very annoying. So whenever I open this and I click somewhere, I lose the focus. Ready, go! As you can see, I added some music in the meanwhile. And the menu, I think I did do that in the stream as well. So yeah, I have done a few things off screen. In the meanwhile, in the meantime. We'll have to. And what's the? Yeah, this one. Okay, let me quickly check. So when I go here to export spreadsheet, over here layout, rows, fixed number of columns. Let's see. What was that? Right click and then right click, frame properties, new frame, new tag. Okay. What if I play this? Okay, so we can export this as a spreadsheet. So when I export this, output file, so let's check downloads. There we have it. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, with this said, I can close this down.
Ready, go!
Bullets, let's see the variation. So 200, 2000.
Ready, go!
The name is also completely bullshit. Like so. Humans variation. And we have this. And we can set this. Save. On begin play, we add this, and then add the variation.
Ready, go!
It's not adding the variation. Parent node, where is the alignment? Breakpoint, okay. Add called parent function. I think this was missing.
Ready,
Now it's working, okay. So we'll set this to 0. And this also to 0. Basically what we want to do is to have this in here in our C++ class. So I'll remove this and I will make this. We will check this, and what's the function called? So we'll call this new function blueprint callable void add the movement variation. Velocity. New property, and we will call this blueprint right, and edit defaults only. I think that's enough. And float to min z variation is -0 and max z movement variation is 0. I know it's both the same, but yeah, I can remove this minus. It's fine. Category, we call this category bullets variation. And we do that here as well. Okay, let's create this function, create the definition of this function, and over here we can go ahead and see if min when the movement variation is not is 0, and max movement variation is also 0, then we return because we don't need to do anything here. Else we will. Hola, Nanato. Hola, how are you doing? I will soon add your sprites. Don't worry. I will quickly do this in C++, finish this, and then it's fine. Okay, if then we get the what's called projectile movement component, velocity, set velocity, velocity is vector velocity dot z is okay. I think it was a random function. Get random. Oh nice, I can open it here. Ukismet math library. This is nice. Can I use that directly in here? Of course I can't. But what is this file? Kismet math library. Okay. There, I need this. Close this, go here, add it to the top, and then I should be able to use Kismet math library, random loads and range, and then I can use min and max, and then it should work. And then we save this, and we only have to set this and begin playing. Perfect. Okay, so I save this and build this. You are looking forward to it. Okay, I will show you this variation thing I talked about real quick. You can see it right here now. Now I set this. Let's check the notebook. There it is. Okay, bullets, and then okay. Show inherited variables. Okay. So first of all, let us remove some functions. We need to remove this. Delete. And we need to delete this. delete and delete. Okay, when we close both and then we reopen bullet base, and then we will be able to see probably bullets, and here it is not. Maybe it's here, bullet movement variation over here. It is. So what we can't do right now is like get this. Yeah, we can't do that. For this I have to also go here and set this one to blueprint read only. We'll do that on both and run this, and then we should be able to get the variables at least. There we have it, and then Minzy, there it is, we can get it. Okay, but what we wanted to do is set normal bullets. So over here, open for blueprint editor. We can go here to bullets, and then yeah, there it is, movement variation. And over here in bullet movement variation, we can set this to -50, this to 50, and then you can see.
Ready, go!
There is a little variation. You can see that? I mean, this one is a big one. There's big variation here. But usually like something like 20 would be enough. But we can also completely remove it. That doesn't matter. Yeah. Okay. We don't have to keep this. We will remove that for now. This should work as well. It's completely clean now. Okay, let's move on with the next ticket. So we have no, we haven't done this. We have done something else. Okay, and animations made for Hutch. Over here, not here. Renata has updated the files, which I will download real quick. Oh, nice. All of them in separate files, okay. This is good. This is very good. So, we should structure this in a nice way. So let's go get it. Take a look at the characters. Player, Hutch. And over here we have assets, and then we have all the different assets. The thing is, these are old. So I will move them in an old folder. Move. We'll do the same with the rest. New folder, old. Just move them over here. New folder, old, and really quickly move them in here. Let's see. And finally, the idle one. And here we go. Okay, so next thing is we need all the different folders. Counter, you called that clamshell? Attack, I think you called that attack. Yes, you did. jump attack, okay. Since it's not called counter anymore, I will also match and call this attack. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's open up the folder with the download file here. Let's export, let's extract. And over here, we can have the attack stuff. So I will move the attack here. Right click, sprite actions, apply paper to B. Okay. So we'll do this completely at once. So we'll take a look at this. It looks kind of nice here. This is fine. Let's close tabs to the right. Okay. Sprite actions, create extract sprites. What the fuck? No, I don't want that. We can do it by grid. Cell width is going to be, I don't know, 32. How was the sprite size? What happens if I right click? Right sprite? Okay, no. I didn't want that. Delete. Right click, extract sprites, auto. This is not right. Okay. Grid, and for the grid we will do 32 times 32. Okay. Should work. This looks better. Extract. Okay, we'll redo that. I'm not happy with the naming. Right click, sprite actions, extract sprites. We will go to grid. 32 times 32, spacing is 2, and this should be fine. Okay. Let's go. Then we select all of those. And we create the flipbook. Which attack? Flipbook. Paper, flipbook. PFD. Okay. Nice. Here goes the attack. Next one is counter. Counter. No, we don't have counter anymore. That's... Oh no. Okay, we have to keep that. Let's see if this still works, what I am doing here.
Ready, go!
It does, okay. Let's first finish. So this is dodge roll. We have the roll. Here we go. Then we do right click. Apply paper to these settings. In sprite actions, extract sprites. For this, we can maybe go with auto, but I don't know. I'm fine with going the grid way. So we do 32 times 32 and 2 and 2. So this should be fine. Extract these, select all of them, right click, create flipbook, and we call this paper, flipbook, which roll. I don't know. Something is weird about this. I think it exported more than I wanted. This is not wanted. And over here how can I remove this? Delete. 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 And delete. Now it looks good. Okay. Here we go. Next one is idle. Let's take a look at the idle thing, which is here. But failed to import. But why? I think it's because there is already an idle here. Or there was an idle here. So how can I fix that? How can I fix the redirectors? Alright, save all. Maybe we need to save first. Oh no. I didn't want to put it in here. Content, characters, idle. And over here, remove that, boom. Not gonna work, so settings. Oh, let's see. Fix redirectors, real engine.
Alright, this is empty. Though, and if you go to other filters, you have show not now. Fix up but keep the redirector. Now, I've never actually found, but keep the redirect to and then get rid of yourself. That's essentially what this does. The other
Why is
options
the
here for
quality
redirectors
so
are you
horrible?
can find target. So if you see a redirector somewhere and you're not sure, that's essentially what this does. And seeing that object, and you go to fix up. So fix up basically says, okay, you're the middleman here. Instead of being the middleman, just go ahead and point whatever's referencing that object. Now, when it comes to redirectors, the best way to actually get rid of these is to right click on them and you go to fix up. So fix up basically
Fix up. There's nothing like fix up. Right click. Is this still working?
Ready, go!
Seems to be. But can I now put this here? Yes, I can. Okay. So apply the 2D thing, then go here, extract sprites, then go to grid, do 32 times 32. This is almost right. Let's give it 2 here, and then this should be alright. And here we are. Now we can right click here and create a flipbook, which will be called paper flipbook. Which idle, and here we go. Okay. So real quick, I will go here to the assets, right click. Yes, please. Okay. So this should get rid of all the problems. Next one is walk. Next one is walk. We'll put this here, right click, sprite actions, apply paper to the sprite settings, and then here extract sprites, go to grid, 32 times 32, and also I don't want these. Can I? Number of X cells. Let's do this and this first. So will okay. Then it's 6 and the other one is 2. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I can't tell him to only take so many. I think it's fine. We'll just create and then remove. We don't need those. Delete. Right. Here and create a flipbook. All those paper flipbook, which walk. Oh, this looks really nice. So we have walk, idle, dodge roll, and attack, and now we need the rest, which will be climb, of course. And over here we will put in the climb, right click, sprite actions, apply the sprite settings, extract them, grid, cell width is 32 times 32, and this one is 2. Nice, okay. And that's it. Extract. Oop. I don't know why it started. Oh, it's 11. Okay. which is fun. Let's remove those. And then we right click here, create the flipbook, and we call this paper flipbook. Perfect. This is absolutely perfect. And then is your folder, climb, boot. And in here we will add the climb shoot sprite. And as always, right click, sprite actions, apply paper 2D, settings, then right click again, extract sprites, go here to grid, and (32 times 32) spacing 2. And there we are. Copy upload as a category. Nice. Okay, extract. Pop, pop. And then we create the flipbook, which will be paper flipbook. Prefix. Let's save all. And continue working. Idle we have. Jump is something new. Let's go create a folder which will be called jump, and in here we will add the jump, knockback, and then, okay, three more to go. Right click, sprite actions, apply texture settings, right click, extract sprites, grid, and then right click here, paste. Perfect. Almost perfect. I don't know why it didn't take these. No, it does. Okay. Extract. Let's remove this guy because that's empty. How does that work? What if I... The sorting here is really weird. List, columns. Right, flipbook. Flipbook. Up. Okay, nice. This looks really good. This looks really good. Yeah. There is nothing to beanstanden here. Okay. Next one is gonna be jump attack. New folder, jump attack, and we can go here. We will add the jump attack here. Right click here, sprite actions, apply paper 2D, settings. You should be familiar by now. Let's go here, let's set it to grid. So let's right click this, paste all properties. Let's do this to reset this because otherwise it won't update. Here we go. We have to delete 3 of them. Delete, boom. And then we select all of them and right click, asset actions. No, I'm stupid, create flipbook. And for this, we will remove the 1, paper flipbook, add the prefix, and there it is. Okay, this looks good. And I think there's one final one which we need, which is the knockback. And for this one I will do the same thing one more time, and then I'm done. Apply paper to these settings, spread actions, create sprites, go here, grid, right click, paste all the properties, set this to 0, then set it back to 2, extract, delete 3 of them, then boom, here we go, and select all of them, right click, create flipbook, prefix it with paper flipbook, initials, ooh. Oh, I didn't want that, and I have to delete the 1 as well, and then we are fine. Okay, so let's save all the 44 different files we have here. Okay, I have seen the music is off, and no one has told me, which is quite problematic, because I need more viewers who tell me that the music is actually off. So let's go with this. This sounds good. Okay. Where's that? Here is that. Okay. So animation source, I think this one, yeah. Can I update that? Is it possible to just update? Browse to assets. I can browse here and then. Yeah. Okay. I mean, seems like I can't. Or I can just go here. Select something else. Animation data. Attack. Ah, nice. Okay. Oh, okay. So we will keep those, the old ones. We'll keep them as is, and we will create new ones. Browse to asset, and over here animation. Let's make another folder. Old. Move in here. Right click. Let's first go in here and remove all of them. Delete. Okay, maybe let's not do that. Let's do it the other way around. Let's go here. Let's create a new folder. V1 for version 1, and then we can animation source as attack as attack animation sequence. Oops. Which will take tuck. There we are. What is this? Delete. So, oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, this is not right. Okay. Let's close this. Let's go here. Let's remove that. Delete. Delete all of those. Delete. Replace references. Delete them. The reference is here, right? This one. Delete. Also delete this. Okay, perfect. So animation source, that's weird. Animation sequence, okay. Okay. So we will animation sequence attack. And this one will be attack. So I can probably just go here. I don't need that anymore. Delete. I think I crashed. Okay. Send it close. Let's restart the engine. So let's go back here. Animation source. So we have this guy. I don't want that. Let's go to the dodge roll and we will change this to roll. This one. But I'm not sure why the quality is so bad. Let's go here. Attack. Yeah, the quality is really bad. Let me check. How is that then? Also bad, okay? To be honest. Huh? It's loading. Okay, it just took a while. For some reason. So we don't have counter anymore, but we have idle. This one is. This is idle. Let's go here. Let's do idle. Okay. Next one is this, which is walking and. So let's see what we have. Assets, attack. We have climb. Add new is climb. AS climb. Select climb. Then we do AS climb. Shoot, and then we go here and select this one. This one looks good. There, look good. The counter one, we don't need this anymore. Let's save all. Let's go here. Let's go to animation sequences. Let's go to old. Let's go to counter and delete that. Delete. Okay, and the rest I think we can move back here. Move. Where did I move that? Okay. This is nice. Which is what I wanted. Let's save it all again. Okay, and here we are. Climb, climb, shoot, dodge, roll, idle, walking. We have AS, knockback, knockback. No. What happened to my knockback? Seems like it's gone. Assets, dodge roll, knockback. Oh, it's called jump attack. I don't know why. Oh no. I didn't want that. I want to have knockback. So we go here, and delete all of those. Delete them. Now delete them. Delete this as well. Okay. Let's go back here. I think it removed my folder. Let's create a new one. Knockback. And in here we can now again go at this. Right click, sprite actions, apply paper 2D. Sprite actions, extract sprites, go to grid, right click, 32 times 32, and then here 2 times 2. Extract, delete those 4, and then boom. Oh, you have to remove the white thing. I told you I don't need them. Flipbook. Great flipbook. No. Like this. Okay, let's save again. It's up. And then we can go here and over here select knock, 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 knock. Okay. Okay, what else do we have? We have jump attack. Yes, jump attack. Attack. Okay, what else? What else do we have? We have jump. Let's go here. Characters, players, Hutch, assets. Attack we have, climb, yeah, climb, shoot, we also do. Dodge roll, we have that. Idle, we have that. Jump, we don't have this. Jump. And jump attack we have actually, okay. Funny. Knockback we have that, and walk. Jump and walk. Walking. Oh, we have walking. Okay. So AS jump. Jump. Okay, this one. Okay. So now we have them all. With this said, let's go to Hutch and see what he is doing. So we need this at first, dodge roll. This should be working. Here, it's called Hutch. It's called Hutch, BP Hutch, okay. Here we are, and then we can take a look at this guy. For this we will pick idle 1. Where is the idle? Climb attack, climb show idle. Okay, as we can see, we have to move this up a little. This was the counter box. Maybe 2. No. $24 times 32. Okay. I think this is nice. Let's move this boy up a little bit more. I think this is good. Okay. Let's check. I mean, let's see how that works now. Let's see how good it looks. Gute Musik heute, yeah, thank you, that's Final Fantasy VIII, but as remixed. Okay, let's see if what I did is remotely working in any way. Okay, we have some issues. Okay, this can't compile, but why? Ooh, okay. What is this? Counter, okay. We have the attack now. This one. We need this guy. Loop animation, no. Play rate 1, start position 0, this is fine. Let's go here and we will rename this counter 0. Attack. Jump attack. Okay, this is fine. Counter jump. This is weird. Attack and this. I don't know why. Jump attack. Jump attack. Don't roll. I don't know why. Jump attack, yeah, we want this one to play and not looping. But Okay, we will go here and we will take a look. We will need to check if... Let's first see if this compiles. It does, but there's still another issue. We will have to find the counter. Jump to node. To jump attack, it has to match, and over here to attack. Okay, so when we search this now, save this, and then search this, it should be empty. Now, the moment of truth has come.
Ready, go!
Okay. I mean, it works. Interesting. Yeah. I think I need to add some stuff. I forgot what I need to add. Wait for gameplay events. Animation ends, okay. Counter. I mean, I can also move this to dummy level. Paper flipbook. Here we have the counter. But it wasn't here. Counter. I think I removed that. Ability counter. Counterable. Da-da-dum. Yes, I did. Okay. This means we have to go here and check. We need to add the notify, I think. Insert, no. Add notify. Animation end, okay. So at the end we want to end the animation, okay? Let's see, take a look here. Okay. Jump attack as well. We want to... Can you stop playing? Yes, to the end, and over here we will broadcast this. Okay. Knockback, I think we can do that here as well. Notify. Okay. Knockback, walking, this looping, jump attack, we did that already. I think we can keep this. Idle, we don't need that as well. We can add it here. Maybe. Jump attack, okay. Dodge roll. Stop. Okay. Climb, shoot. You know what's funny? He has a border here, but he doesn't have one here. I don't know, this looks a little bit weird. Why is he so much smaller? Because it's smaller than the one before. I think that's the reason. Something like that. Okay, I mean I can make it bigger. I don't know. I think I zoomed the other one as well. But the zoom should still apply. So if we go here, you can take a look at. Yeah, he's 5 times bigger than what you have made. So the original one would be like so. Like this. It would be a lot smaller. No, the old one was bigger. This is the original size. I already zoomed it up. Times 5.
Ready, go!
Okay. Nice. You know what we can do? We can do all sorts of cool stuff. For instance, so the first thing I will do now is turn the music off because it annoys me right now. I also have to find a better way to add music anyway. Can I just disable it? Am I blind? Where's the delete button? There. Okay. Let's save and then. Yeah. I wanted to quickly check if we can easily add sounds while walking. So, a notify track, step sounds, and we can. Okay, here's one. Play sound. Okay. And the sound will be. So for this, I will have to turn this a little bit. Lower the music, and so we can have a look at the sound effects we already have. So we have a sound effects folder.
Go!
Okay, so we will make a new meta sound from this. A meta sound is just a sound effect with some logic inside. So if we take a look here in paper ZD input, where's audio there? We can add a meta sound. I don't know, MS. How did I call those, please? MS maybe, and step. Third step. Haven't I already done one? Meta. Oh, MS. Okay. So we will move this to here. So what we will do here is very easy. We will go here and add a mono. I don't know exactly. So unfinished we add here. Alt mono we add here. Random floats. Can I do it like this? 10 and let's say 10. Let's see. Okay. Pitch shift. And play. Like this. I can't hear anything. We don't need to loop. Ah, okay. We don't have a sound effect. Okay. Steps. Footsteps. Okay, now. Okay, we go here and then this. Yeah, the reason is we have to do it like this. Okay. And now. This is nice. Okay, we will add, let's say, 5 and 5. Perfect. So we have the dirt step here. We can go here, back to our animation. I think for the sound effect we can, for the pitch shift, but where's the volume? Okay, we don't do the volume here, seems like. Let's go here at the sound. Ah, there. And MS dirt. And we will do another one here. Like so, okay. Let's see
Ready.
how that looks
Go.
like. Nice. I can't remember if I changed the old one. Maybe I did. I forgot, to be honest. But I zoomed it up by 5, and I also did this again. So yeah.
Ready. Go.
Perfect. Okay. Okay, so what we want to do now is, first of all, we need to turn this a little bit even more. 1.1. Also, we want to move them here. Maybe go 1 frame back. Also, we need to Correct the position for the shoot. Bullet spawn should be somewhere around here. So let's say that. Also we want to take, maybe we should add the jump. Where is that? MVP there. Walking, and we need another one, another. Animation states, we call this jump. And there's maybe another one called fall. Mhm. Okay. Here. So we do have the fall. Yeah, for the fall, we can make another flipbook. Content, characters, players, Hutch, assets. What we call? I make another folder called fall, and then we go to jump, and over here, where's the last one? Let's make one of these. Create flipbook. Create a flipbook. Okay, perfect. Let's move it in here. That's nice. Okay, over here in AVP, no, in here, can add a new one. Animation source, fall, falling. I don't know. Call this fall. Like this. So what we don't want is this looping. So this should not loop. The question is, where can I set this up? Default. Okay. It wasn't here, right? Nope. Okay. Okay, we have that here. We can go into our ABP, and in here inside of fall, we can play as fall. We don't want this to loop. Playwright. Okay. Perfect. We save this, and we have that. The next one, the next thing we want to do is in here, which states we have the jump, Can I move that here? No. I can move that here. When done. Let's delete that for now. To jump. So in jump, we also have jump, play, jump. Over here, we also don't want to do that. Perfect. Okay, so we do have our jump ability. Let's see. Not this one, jump. This one. When we open the full blueprint editor, we'll see this does nothing. So what we can do is go here. Play jump, jump, one touch jumps to section. Okay. We have to cast. So we have to do this. Otherwise, that's not possible. Let's see what I did here. Maybe I already get owning Hutch and Butch character. Actor info, okay. Get owning Hutch and Butch. Okay, we can't do that here because this is the base thing. It's fine. It's fine. We'll do it like this. We'll do it like this, and then we cast this, and then we do jump to I think there was animation something. Jump to node. Get animation instance, okay. Get an instance. Jump to node. Over here. I think we can also do this all in one thing. Can I create a task? Can I create a new task? Let's see. Abilities. Nope. Let's create a new folder. Holy shit. Yes. Maybe move it in abilities. Move it here. And in here we call create a new task. Is there something? Patrol. Nope. That was not what I was looking for. Delete this. Let's go back to this ability jump. So there are tasks, gameplay tasks, questions. How can I create my own tasks? Gemini, let's go to Google. How to create custom gameplay tasks in Unreal. Oh, it looks cooler now. Creating custom gameplay tasks in Unreal Engine. Understanding gameplay tasks. Gameplay tasks are designed to manage asynchronous operations. Ability tasks. Yeah. There's the outline. Create a new C++ class. View ability task. And derive the class from view ability task. Okay. Define task properties. Declare. Okay, that doesn't make sense. We don't want any tasks. What we want is to jump to the node. And I can actually just use this. So character base. Over here we can make a new public function. Region. Yeah. Animation. Jump to animation mode. Wide. And what we want is view function blueprint callable, and in here we will get an f text name. And what we will also do is state machine. State machine. Okay, with the set, we can click here, create the definition. And in here, we can get an instance. View paper ZD anim instance. Paper ZD anim instance pointer, and instance is okay. And then I can jump to node, and what we can do is jump name. Node name. Node name state machine. The problem is we want here f names, not f text. Let's go back. And now it should be working fine. Close brackets here. What you can do as well is something like this. Up. And this one is gonna be name none. So let's build this. And we should be able to call that function and make things a little bit simpler. So we don't need jump to node anymore. Don't need that anymore. The build failed. Why did it fail? I think we're not allowed to do this. Now it should be working. Okay, anim instance. PD anim instance. I don't know. And now this should be working fine. Perfect, and now I can do jump to animation node. Oop. And in here I can give him the animation, the names. So what we will do is we will, where is that jump? There. Okay. We jump. State machine name is it's called Hutch states. So Hutch states. Perfect. Okay, so let's see. Let's see if the jump.
Ready, go!
Oh no. There are a lot of errors. On actor detected if this package. Okay. I think we have to restart this. Sometimes the engine is kind of dead, so we have to rebuild. We have to rebuild. Sometimes it also doesn't rebuild directly. It says it's an error, but it's not. So we have to just press it again, and then it works. Okay, so let's see if we still get a lot of errors.
Ready, go!
No, we don't. But we also don't get the animation, which is making me angry. So let me go here. Owner actor. Failed. Yes, okay. Let's compile this.
Ready, go!
Okay, maybe I have to turn this off because I mean, this is not called at all. So we probably have to update or do the jump logic ourselves. Because none of this is called. If we take a look here, we will see. I mean, I could simply copy paste this. Input released. Okay, oh, okay, what is this guy doing? So activate ability is called. And it goes here, it does that. Cast checked, character, and then jump. Prediction key, this is all stuff I don't need. Has authority or prediction key. Okay, on input released. When is that called? Can activate ability. Okay. Canceling a non-instance cancel ability. Okay. Input released. Can I go to the override? It has to be here, right? Input binding stub. Okay. Okay, so we can't simply do that. Maybe we shouldn't. Okay. Okay, so we go back here. We will do the full stuff. So for Hutch states, we have the air and we have the default. And we can also call this ground. Okay. Let's see. What's the best way to do this? I mean, the best way would be to go in here. Not here. Here. Check the event graph. Update walking. Update is dodging. So we go back into the animation. This one, the event graph. Let's close the rest. What we want to do is override. Update is in there. So what we want to do here is Jump. Oh, nice. Can do that. So if Hutch and Butch player is movement component character component movement is air ground. So if my boy is moving on the ground, not negate. So if he's not on the ground, is in air. So if this is branch, if this is true, then also and is in current state. Which states yeah.
Ready, go!
Let's see. It's not working because we don't call that function. That in here. I mean, this will pretty much
Ready,
override everything
go!
else. But let's see. Yeah. Because it is constantly jumping around. Because it is constantly moving around, okay? You know what we will do? We will not touch this. Instead, we will hopefully we are able to where's the window? I want to go back to the animations. No, to the blueprints. Yes. What is this? No, not this one. Where's the window? Anim graph. Okay. Which states? And here I can navigate. Okay, perfect. So, can I move here? No. No, I can't. Can I move here? Oh, yes, I can. So basically what we can do is conduit. What is that? What is a conduit in animation blueprints? Paper ZD. clarify context on our engine. While okay. Key points and advanced transitions. Conduits manage more intricate transition scenarios. Routing logic act as a centralized point to evaluate conditions before transitioning to a different state. Shareable resources, state machine integration. Okay, so this means I can. Okay, it can do something here. Can enter transition. Okay. I don't need that. So what I want is I want to move in here. The thing is, I also don't need that. Maybe we should go here. Hutch states, and we have another one which is called in air states. Select branches and select so we have this and that. We'll make this a little bit bigger. Like so. Is in air. Can also make another one. Is on ground. Doesn't matter. Not a big problem. Promote to variable. So we'll set both of these. This looks good. And we can go back in here. We can select the is on ground. If he's on ground, then we will pick the Hutch states. Otherwise, we'll take the air states, which also means that we only need this. We don't need that. Move it. Bye bye. In Hutch states, we don't need that either. And the rest, we have these two. We can also keep that. And to jump, I think we might not need that, but we will see. These are fine, and this looks good. Okay, so let's run this.
Ready, go!
Nice. No, I didn't make it shorter. I just didn't yet implement the jump animation because I need to rewrite the jump logic in order to be able to use it. As of right now, I can't simply use it, so... Perfect. Okay, so I think the first set is added. And we will close this stream today. The SFX have delay. I'm not sure. Maybe. Which one?
Ready, go!
Yeah, a little. Maybe it's because it's played in editor. Oh. Wait a second. We can't fix that either. We can also fix that. Jump. Which states? Air states. To jump attack. Dun dun dun. To jump, to attack, to jump attack. And over here we have the jump attack. Okay. We don't need this in air states. It's up. And we don't need this. Okay. So have I ever used that thing? Okay, we need to change this. Project settings. Maps and modes. Let's go to dummy level. Okay. Let's save it all. Next one is the animation. Did I edit in here? No, I didn't. Okay. Air control. Did I edit here? Yes, I did. Okay. I think we don't need that for now. Let's go to Hutch and see disable and hide. We don't need that either. Okay. No. We have this. And we also have the controller. Is there also... Oh, there it is, okay. Yeah, we don't need that. Okay. Okay, we're gonna fix that. So we have the counter move, which is this one. Print string, normal counter like this. And then we will copy this and also add it into the counter jump. And here we call this jump. Okay. Save, start this. Normal counter. Okay, it's always normal counter. Okay. Okay. Which is the problem. Because of it's trying to move here. To attack in Hutch states. Which we probably are not able to do. The thing is, we this is all set up in here. Advanced? No. It's all set up in here. Hutch and Butch. Jump ability, counter jump ability. But why did I add it here? So for this, we will have to go here and take and close all. Maybe that's the best idea, to close all, and then player. Okay, in here. Counter jump. Okay. When did I add this? Do I use it anywhere? Let's go in here. Oh, we do. Ah, now I get it. It's not the jump counter ability while he jumps, but it's something else. Okay. 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 So what we will do is, for this we'll go here. So the problem is that we are calling probably the wrong function. What we will need to do is we need to check movements. Has to ABP Hutch. Okay, we might need to move it over here a little bit more, and then we should be able to ground. Okay, perfect. So what we will do here is, if on ground, get is on ground, and then we'll do branch. So if it is on, if he's on ground, else do this one. Air states. We'll collapse this all into a function. Collapse function. to attack node. Correct attack node. Okay. This we'll call the base. Perfect. Okay. Looks a little bit cleaner. And now, oh, okay. There's something wrong here. Yeah, we need to have a return node, right? And what's the problem here to attack? Ah. Let's do it like this, and this one is gonna be here. Move it here. I think we don't need that return node either, so compile, it's better. I mean, we can remove this. Also remove this. Grounds. Counter. Okay. He is doing the right thing. Ah, okay. I think I know what the problem is. The problem is if we go into our ABP in here, we have our 2 attack, and this one is also the attack. Go in here, the AS attack. It's the same. It's the same as before. Animation end is also correct. Jump attack also. This one. Jump attack also has this. Jump attack also has this. Okay, so this means if we go here, we should be able to enter this. So we are in Hutch states and we have air states. Air states, okay. And in here we'll say to jump name to attack air states. Which is fine. Hmm. Air counter. Okay, so the ABP should be fine, right? So let's see. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Why doesn't it visualize where I am right now? Okay, because we don't have to call this to attack. Okay, now it should work. I thought it should. Ah, it does. But it's not finishing. Okay, okay, I get it. Okay. We have to fix that, of course. So we have to fix that for both, actually. For this, this is the problem. Actually, we don't have to specify anything. Here's, what if I do it like this? Okay, the problem is that we never make it to this place. I think we also don't have to specify anything. We can just say to attack, and this should work. This should work. So what's the problem? In an instance, no. Boom. Okay. It never ends. Okay. It never ends the ability because I'm waiting for the event received, and the ability never ends. So this is why. Yeah, it never ends, but this has to end eventually. Only trigger once. Yeah, the problem is so. I mean, one thing, a quick fix, but which is not a fix anyway. Yeah, let's put in some more music. Would be to fasten up the animation, which we can do just to test. But this will not solve our problem. So let's do play rate 2. Yeah, this will not solve our problem. Let's make it 4. Yeah, 3. This will not solve our problem. 1.5. Because I can't wait for the animation. Maybe I can. Maybe I can. Can I can I broadcast some stuff in here? Maybe air states. So when I enter this, can I undo it? Something like this. Okay. No, this is not the right place. Maybe we can do it here. What do I have here? Override on animation. And complete. Okay. Okay, so what we need is we need to end the ability at some point. But when is the right point? Here I added that when event tag animation end is broadcast. I mean, the other one could be like, wait another second, something like this. Let's wait 5. And then you can end it either also. Maybe like this. Maybe like this. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this is... the animations don't line up. ABP, Hutch is in air. Air states, jump attack. Hutch states, attack. in here. 1.5. Unfortunately, it seems like we have to shorten the animation. We have to shorten the animation jump attack. I think we have to remove this one. It's just this, only this. We need this only, okay. Maybe we can keep the rest. Delete, delete, delete. Save. Delete. Ah. So like this. You can also delete 5. Delete. Delete. I think we only need these 4. Suck. Boom. Yeah. We probably only need those. Let's check. BP, ABP Hutch. Hutch animation sequence. Jump attack. Nice. And what is attack? Yeah, this is perfect, I think. This is perfect, I think. Okay, then we can also keep. Keep the speed. ABP attack. We can do this 1.5 is fine, and the other one is gonna be air states jump attack. This one is gonna be 1. I think that's fine. Okay. We can even go for the other one and say it's something like this. Perfect. You know what? We will close this today. This was nice session. We did a lot of stuff. Let's save this. Let's close this. Let's make a pull commit, and then call it a day. Edit new animations. Okay. Well, then, see ya. I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see each other. Maybe tomorrow, maybe longer time. I don't know. But we will see each other. So don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, was nice.